welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm doing my full video of walking you through in my in-home daycare. So I will show you everything that I have done. I rearrange it, I minimalize it, organize, and I cleaned everything, every inch of the daycare, of my in-home daycare. So if you haven't watched my video about my 2019 basement tour, just check it out here, and so that you will see the before and after video. So without further ado, let's get started. Here, this is my when the parents knock here, they go this way and they will see the parent info board. So these are all hi, these are all my papers, my license, my certifications of being a licensed home daycare. So this is the name of my daycare, Mama Llama Family Home Daycare. So this is my stair. I took out all of the papers that are sticking here, and I put ABC's letters. And then as you walk through, I don't have anything there anymore. You say, hi Luna, she's been waiting. Are you welcoming us in our home daycare? Yes? Okay, so I'm gonna start here. These are recycled already. I made these flowers when I was doing organizing an event, and I used this, and now I said, why not use it for my birthday board? So this is gonna be my birthday board. And they're not done yet. So this is my 2.0 kitchen area with the Barbie.
This one.
Yeah, so this is the role-playing area. Can you cook, Luna? Luna will be cooking. This is the kitchen from Amazon. It's so nice. I'm excited for my daycare children to use it. Yeah, you're welcome. She loves it already. My husband built it. And yeah, so I put these magnetic lettering here. And then I organize it by cups. And then plate. So food there. Utensils. So I minimalize the stuff so that it's not too much to clean up for them and for myself too, to make my life easier. Yeah. Happiness, laughter, and love. That's a good thought. The everyday thought I see in my daycare. So this is the Barbie area. This is from a friend. She gave it to me. And this is my library. So that book shelving is from Amazon. As you can see, it's minimalized. I put books that they will be interested to read, even just themselves. Picture books. And then some puzzles for them to play. And these toys. Then some chairs. And this area is with some blocks, matching shapes of puzzle. Yeah, Luna, you can play. Show them how to play, Luna. You can sit down. So she's gonna play. And then there's a finger puppet. Finger puppet over there. So I tried to minimalize everything. So that is for their painting. When we do some artwork in our circle time, so we put it there. Yuki made that one. That's why I didn't take it away. So that's the easel that we use when we paint. And I put a little a big chunk of teddy bears here. And their cubbies. My children's cubbies. So this way, caution free range children, live, love, and laugh. So this is the simple area for music. If they want to play the piano, Luna, you want to play the piano? Featuring Luna. Okay, go. Okay, and now I'm gonna make. Next area is the kitchen. As you can see, there's a lot of books here. I organized the books here so that it will be easy for me to take out, and I didn't put a lot of books in the library so that it's not hard for me to clean up and for the children as well. So yeah, I rearranged the kitchen a little bit and changed the rug to make it look like outdoor picnic area. And I put some note that you can see it. Life's too short to say no for cake. Do not worry and be happy. And then I didn't take away these Legos. My husband built these Legos, so I tried to not break them. And there you have it. This is my kitchen. Next off is the hallway. So I'll flip the camera again. Okay, welcoming you in my hallway. So before I didn't show you this board, I forgot to show you. So this is what they use. This full board, I use it to write my theme of the week. And then they can write anything there, or sometimes I put their artwork there. And then I put this board for my paperworks for Daycare, and then daily schedule. I am like here. So this is the evacuation map and emergency contacts. So I put everything here in this board, and then I didn't take out this thankful tree that we made for 2019. And yeah, this is the hallway. So let's go in the washroom. So this is the washroom. I didn't show you before. So look at the sticking one. I'll take it away. Okay. So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is the bathroom. So that's sticking note there. And I organize this area, art, and I put some books when they do potty training. So everything is clean and organized. So let's go on to our gym area. Ta-da! Welcome to my gym area. So I didn't take out the ball pit. So I added this foamy rag to make them it safer for them. And then the basketball hoop, the tunnel there, I just set it aside there for easy access for them. Balls. And then, yeah, this one from Amazon. This is great purchase from Amazon. I'm gonna link all purchases from Amazon in my description below. So easy access for them over there. And then I put up the dressing area and the makeup area because they don't really use it. So if they want to use it, I can just take it out And then these are my busy boxes. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I pull out this one every day so that they don't get sick of the toys that I have down here. So I really use this entertainment. I upcycled it. I don't wanna sell it because it's usable and very great storage for my stuff. So I use it. Then the big Lego there. And for this area, I just put the dinosaur, the cars. So everything here are cars, figures, and the train. So cars, big cars and trucks for them to use. Then figurines. So I made sure it's minimalized, and the Lego boxes. And sometimes for role playing too, they can use this toolbox, easier access for them. Yeah, and this is all the look of my daycare. I hope you guys liked it. It turned out very good, and I love it so much. I hope you guys had fun with my 2020 tour for my daycare. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me, and let's hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below if you really like this video. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day. Bye.